Freeze-dried food is a prepper's best friend, lightweight, shelf-stable, and packed with nutrients. But to make the most of it, you need to rehydrate it properly. Let me show you how. Step 1. Always use clean, potable water. The quality of your water directly impacts the taste and safety of your meal. Step 2. Measure accurately. Follow the instructions on the package for the right water-to-food ratio. Too much water can dilute nutrients, while too little leaves the food hard and dry. Step 3. Stir thoroughly to ensure all pieces are evenly rehydrated. This also helps restore the food's original texture and flavor. Step 4. Let it sit. Allowing your meal to rest for a few minutes after stirring ensures every piece is fully rehydrated and ready to eat. With these simple steps, you'll unlock the full potential of freeze-dried food, nutritious, delicious, and ready whenever you need it. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below for helpful links.